In this video, I will show you how to add friends on Discord. So let's jump straight into it. Now, there's actually two ways you can go ahead and add friends on Discord, so I'm going to go through both of those methods with you now. Now, the first way to do this is if you come into a server and you see someone on the server that you want to add as a friend, what you want to do is come to the member list on the right hand side. If you don't see this, you want to come up to the top and click this button here to show the members. Then what you need to do is click onto your friend that you want to add. So you just want to click onto their name over here. What it's going to do is bring up this pop-up profile like this. And if you look at the top, we've got the add friend icon here. So what you can do is simply click onto that to add this person as a friend. So the second way to do this is to add your friend using their Discord username. Now, to find their username, what you're going to want to do is click onto their bio, so view full bio, and you're going to see their username with their tag at the top here. So you want to make sure this is copied exactly as it is a case sensitive process. So if there's any capital letters or anything like that, you want to make sure you copy this exactly. So we can just go ahead, copy this username, and what we're going to do is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto direct messages. Now in here, you want to make sure you're clicked onto friends over here on the left hand side. And if you look at the top, we've got this green add friend button. So if we actually click onto this, what we can then do is paste their username into here and then click the send friend request button. After doing this, as you can see, you're going to get a confirmation if the username was entered correctly. Send success, your friend request to whoever it was sent. All they then need to do is log into their email, which is linked to their Discord account, and they will see the friend request from you, which they just need to click confirm, and that's going to add them as a friend. So that's how to add friends on Discord. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.